In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Westpac Mobile Banking. First of all, launch open Westpac application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Westpac application has been opened. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. If you haven't registered for online banking yet, you can tap on this option, register for online banking, and you'll be able to register for it. But if you want to log into your account, all you have to do is provide your customer ID and password. Tap on the field of customer ID. Now what you have to do is enter your 8-digit customer ID over here. After you do that, tap on the field of password and enter the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your customer ID or password, tap on this option, forget customer ID or password, and you'll be able to recover them. After you do that, make sure to enter them over here. Now after you enter your customer ID and password, tap on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Westpac Mobile Banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.